Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by measuring and positioning tools so nothing slows you down. Heat the saucepan over low to medium heat, add 1/2 cup chocolate syrup, and if using 1 tablespoon butter or a splash of cream to enrich flavor. Stir immediately with a whisk to prevent scorching and to incorporate fat evenly. Once the syrup warms, you'll notice viscosity drop and aroma release. This tells you it's blending properly and ready for the next step. You now focus on texture and balance. Keep the heat low and whisk constantly for 1 to 2 minutes so the syrup warms evenly without boiling. This prevents separation and graininess. If it's too thick, add 1 to 2 tablespoons warm water or cream a little at a time while whisking until desired pourability. Once done, taste and tweak. Adding a pinch of salt brightens chocolate, while extra syrup increases sweetness. Make sure flavor suits your recipe. You finish by taking the pan off heat and letting the syrup cool for 2 to 3 minutes so it sets to the right thickness for drizzling. Transfer to an airtight jar and refrigerate. It keeps about 2 weeks. Reheat gently when needed. If you encounter separation or graininess, rewarm over very low heat and whisk in 1 teaspoon warm water or cream to re-emulsify. This quick fix restores shine and smoothness so your syrup is ready to use.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.